Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today wherever you are. Today I'm going to just go over the few things that I purchased from the Boxycharm pop-up store that was just on the website. Like, I don't know why they called it a pop-up, but okay. I have been using the Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer from Paulas Choice. So here's what the box looks like. And I like it. I mean, it's working. And I knew already that I liked Paula's Choice, their cleanser, because I use that every night as part of my two-step cleansing process of getting everything off. And this is what the little product looks like itself. And this is just a really light, I'll just take out a little bit here, almost gel-like. And it's just, it's nice. It's really, really nice. So I got that. I got the Pharmacy, what is this? Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I've not tried this yet. I know Pharmacy is, I think, a more expensive brand. And I think the only stuff that I have from them I've gotten in beauty boxes. But there's no real scent to it. And it's just this tiny little jar. So if you would like to see a video of me trying this out for the first time, or just trying it in general period, leave me a comment below and let me know, and we will try to make that happen. I also purchased, I didn't realize that it was a two-piece, but I got the Holographic highlighting powder in the shade Mars from Milk Makeup, and it came in this box here. And unfortunately, one of the two is completely shattered. So I contacted Boxycharm's support, let them know. Now, I had already broken down and recycled the box that it came in, and just word to the wise, apparently with them, they want to see a picture of the product and the box that it arrived in the same picture sent back to them in order to do a replacement of the broken product. When I explained to them that I'd already thrown it in the large recycling dumpster at my office, they're like, all right, we understand, because I ain't going dumpster diving for it, that, you know, they'll make an exception, and they sent me out a new one. It has not arrived yet, so what I'll probably do is just a quick addendum to this video, because I think it should arrive within the next 3 days. I think it's due by Wednesday, and today is Sunday, so I'll just tack on, let you know if it arrived in a good shape. Did they send me just one for the one that was broken? Did they send me two? I don't know. We'll have to stay tuned. But because I have been waiting for that, I have not obviously opened up either. I mean, the box was in perfect shape. I just have a feeling, I mean, this wasn't banged up at all. This was in perfect shape. I think that just somehow this one was broken even prior to shipping, because otherwise everything was great. And then the last thing that I got from the pop-up box, which actually, why don't we take a look at the highlighting powder from the one that is not broken. If I can get this open without hurting myself, that would be awesome. Looks like that one's even a little cracked on the one side, but here is that highlighting powder in the shade Mars. I don't know about holographic, but it says holographic eye and face highlighter infused with meteorite powder and twilight pearls for an iridescent multi-dimensional effect. High performance pigments for major payoff, and avocado oil, coconut oil, and mango butter for hydration. Directions are applied with fingertips or a brush to face, eyes, lips, and body as desired. All right, goodbye to that box. And then the last thing that I purchased for the pop-up was the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. And it comes in a sleeve, which obviously I can now finally get rid of because it's been sitting over here for a while waiting for me to shoot this video. Here are the colors. It's got the protective sheet, but here's the palette. I mean, the packaging seems, you know, pretty cheap, but the colors look pretty. So I will probably use this one for work tomorrow now that I can finally put it away because it's been on my desk forever. But let me know if you would like to see a makeup look with this one, tutorial. That's it. That's what I got from the pop-up and the choices that I made. I'm not sure. I'll try to look up in my account the prices that I paid for everything. I'll put that in the description box below with the products. And that's it for this video. Another one just short and sweet, to the point. And if you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all again soon in another video. Bye!